Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Corinne here. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload defaults to your videos. If you're new to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified of all of my future videos. Now let's get started. So make sure you're at youtube.com and you're signed in. You'll see your logo in the top right hand corner. You need to click on that. Then you need to choose the option YouTube Studio. So that will take you through to the YouTube back office dashboard where we can start making changes to our default uploads. So on this sidebar on the left, we need to choose settings, which will bring a pop-up box up. And then we need to choose the option Upload Defaults. So there are two tabs here, Basic Info and Advanced Settings. First we'll focus on Basic Info. So you can start by adding a default title. So if we hover over here, it says a catchy title can help you hook viewers. When you create video titles, it's a good idea to include keywords your audience is likely to use when looking for videos like yours. So I'm going to start by adding my name, and all my videos are going to be how-tos, so I'll just add a how-to at the beginning there and I can fill in the rest when I upload a video. So next is description. So this will be included in each of your videos in the description box where you can add links to your social media, a description about the video, a little bit about yourself, any links to anything you want to feature. So it's a great idea to add as much detail in the description box as you can, and you have 5,000 characters to do it. So if we hover over here, it tells us writing descriptions with keywords can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. You can give an overview of your video and place keywords in the beginning of the description. So I've already written my description in a text edit, so if I come over here, if I copy that, I can paste this straight into here. So this is just going to be my default description, and I've put in little asterisks here of the bits I'm going to change on each video. So I'll add a custom video description for each video, but as a whole I've got my links, I've got my little asterisks there to not forget to add the music, and I've got a little bit about my channel, a little bit about my other channel, and got links to my other channel and the equipment I use, and just disclaimers at the bottom and some hashtags. So that's basically it for description. So next is visibility. So you can either set all of your videos to be public, private, or unlisted. So I'm going to choose public, but if you chose private, only you would be able to see the videos. If you choose unlisted, only people with the link to the video will be able to watch the videos. So I'm going to choose public. Okay, so tags are basically search words that people can use to find your videos. So I'll start by using my name. And again, you only have 500 characters for this. I'll put how-to videos. I'll do tutorials, step by step instructions. That's it for now. I can add some more later. So that's this tab completed. So next is advanced settings. So second tab. So license. I'm just going to do a standard YouTube license. This isn't Creative Commons attribution, so standard YouTube license. Category. So my videos are how-to, so I'll choose how-to and style. So video language. All my videos are in English. Oops. So I will choose English option, if it'll let me. There we go. English, English United Kingdom. Caption certification. I'm just going to choose none for mine. Community contributions, I'm going to leave that as off. So comments, hold, I'm going to leave that as hold potentially inappropriate comments for a review, as I don't need to hold all comments for review, and I'd like to have comments on, and I don't want to allow all comments, otherwise you have the risk of being targeted by spammers. Okay, so then the last option here is users can view ratings for this video. I'm going to keep that box ticked. Okay, so that is everything for upload defaults. So I'm just going to click down here where it says save. So I hope this video has been helpful and you can follow along and add your own defaults. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, click the bell. If you have any requests for my future videos, please leave a comment down below. But for now, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!